Namaste, this is Rainbow Light Body. It clears out your aura field and it teaches you how to start bending light and working with energy. It's a very powerful exercise. You inhale, you bring the hands out down to the side, then you turn the palms up and you visualize the rainbow coming out of each one of your fingertips. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You start by bringing the thumb and the pointer finger together. This cup represents the feminine and the cup of the lotus. Then when you come here, all of the sacred nectar of the universe flows into the hands. Then exhale, bring the nectar into the heart. Then inhale, release the nectar from the heart. Visualize the rainbow coming out of the heart. Then exhale, paint the rainbow out and down to the side with the fingertips. Then turn the palms up. Inhale, paint the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Bring the fingertips together. This represents the divine masculine, Hakini Mudra. Then exhale, bring the rainbow into the heart. Inhale, release the rainbow from the heart. Exhale, paint the rainbow out and down to the side. Turn the palms up. Inhale, visualize the rainbow coming out of the fingertips. You're sitting underneath this beautiful rainbow. Then exhale, the palms come together. This represents the joining of the masculine and the feminine. Prayer, Anjali Mudra. Then release the rainbow from the heart. Paint the rainbow out and down to the side. And that's one repetition. You can do it anywhere from 1 to even 10 times, but when you do it, you should feel that your aura field is nice and cleansed. And also, if there's bad energy in your area, this will help to clear that out. When you're done, you sit underneath the rainbow. So you sit there and you visualize this beautiful rainbow around your body. That's Rainbow Light Body.